If a capacitor tests marginally within specification but shows age-related wear or physical damage, replace it preemptively to avoid imminent failure. When evaluating a marginal capacitor, first document the measured values and the test conditions, including temperature and applied test voltage, so you can justify the recommendation. Explain to the homeowner that marginal readings mean the part meets the spec at the moment but is likely to drift or fail under load, which can cause intermittent faults and longer diagnostic time later. Use a targeted replacement strategy. Match capacitance, voltage rating equal to or higher than the original, and choose a modern equivalent with lower equivalent series resistance and longer expected life. Carry commonly used replacement values on the truck and install a new part immediately if the device is critical to system operation or safety. If the capacitor is part of a match set, replace the whole set to maintain reliability and avoid accelerated failure of adjacent parts. After replacement, perform the same tests under the same conditions and show the customer the before and after readings while explaining the practical benefit, fewer callbacks, and improved system uptime. 3 common mistakes are accepting marginal test results without context, reusing a visibly damaged part, and failing to communicate the risk to the customer. Accepting marginal results without recording conditions can make your recommendation look speculative, so always log test parameters and explain them. Reusing a damaged capacitor risks immediate or near-term failure, so do not reinstall parts that bulge, leak, or have cracked insulation. Not telling the customer the trade-off between immediate cost and likely future service calls leads to dissatisfaction. So present clear options and the expected time frame for failure if they decline replacement. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and shows project examples so we can better explain repair options and costs. We also connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where both homeowners and professionals share experiences and advice.